If you've watched part 1 and part 2 of this home buying series, you already know what to check inside the property and around the neighborhood. But there's one thing you cannot afford to get wrong: the legal paperwork. Imagine paying 2 crore for your dream home and later discovering that there's a problem with the property's title, approvals, or documents. Before you pay the token amount, check these things. First, verify the property's title and ownership. Don't assume that because you're buying from a reputed builder, everything is automatically clear. Check the title documents and whether the seller or developer actually has the legal right to sell the property. Second, verify the project's RERA registration. Don't rely only on the builder's brochure or verbal promises. Check the project details on the official RERA portal. Third, get an Encumbrance Certificate and check for registered mortgages, claims, or other encumbrances. But remember, an EC doesn't guarantee that there are no legal disputes. Fourth, if it's a completed project, ask for the Occupancy Certificate. It indicates that the building has received the required approval for occupation. Fifth, compare the approved building plan with what's actually being sold. That extra balcony, floor, parking space, or modification may not necessarily have approval. Sixth, check the required local authority records and approvals. For example, verify the applicable Khata and property records, especially in Bengaluru. Make sure the documents actually match the property you're buying. Seventh, research the builder's track record. Did they deliver previous projects on time? Better yet, speak to buyers from their earlier projects. And finally, read the sale agreement carefully before paying the token amount. Pay particular attention to possession, delay compensation, cancellation, refunds, maintenance, and parking clauses. Remember, you can change the flooring, you can renovate the kitchen, you can repaint the walls. But you can never change the location, the neighborhood, or a legal mistake. A home is one of the biggest investments most of us will ever make. Make sure you're buying with your head, not just your heart. And if you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, watch those before you buy. Subscribe to Simplified for practical finance, tax, and smart money decisions.